Hello all. So in the previous video, this is a continuation of the previous video to how to increase the accuracy of the CNN. So previous video you would have seen that in the train video I am just using 200 images total, but now in single image itself, that is in a single class itself, I am using nearly 202 images. So now also you can see there will be some increment in accuracy. So to see an explanation, you can just work with the previous videos. So in the previous videos, we have just made some explanations of how the why we are using these layers and what's the difference between them. So you can just check them. Now we are only using and putting some steps to increase the accuracy of the CNN layer. So by increasing the number of images, you may know that the CNN accuracy will increase. So that only I'm going to check whether it is increasing or not. Previously, if you see, means if we once we have load this, it will run, but now it's not, right? It is taking some time. It is due to the increase in the number of the data set. So now there is no that much vast increment in the accuracy. So the next step we are going to do is, as previously discussed, to add some dropout layers and batch normalization layers. So here I am just adding the batch normalization layer. So now we can see whether there is some variations. So don't, if you are adding a layer, means please don't forget to put an comma. Every time you can notice that there is some decrement in this validation loss. While adding this patch normalization, we can see some improvements in this variables like precision, recall, and F1 score, but with accuracy, we can't see. So we can just add one more patch normalization layer, and here too we can, it's okay. Now we can just try whether there is any increment. The loss is, you can see there is some decrement. Initially it was 6.4400, but in every steps it is decreasing. Yeah, now you can see some improvements not only in accuracy but also in precision, recall, and F1 score. Now we can just add one more dense layer, or just, and first we just check with the dropout layer. So there is only some, so while just working with the steps, we will get only some increments. Mostly the first step we have to increase the number of data set by using data augmentation with more than 100, at least more than 100,000 images per class, at least 500 images. So, but since we are trying, we can work with only this much. We can see some increment, but it's not vast. It's only 27. So, next step we can try is to work with the transfer learning models. That is, here if you see means in the next video, I will work just show to work with the consequent videos. That is with transfer learning models, then K-fold CNN. So, just work by working with this, you can definitely see some increments in the accuracy. Thank you.